So this is a base of a large buff coloured chimney pot. So it'll be about that wide, and the actual base thickness on the original one is something about that. So it's very solid, which means it's rather a lot of clay. So these originals would have been press moulded in a large plaster of Paris mould. And the reason why we're doing them on the wheel or throwing them is the customer hasn't got enough time to wait so if we had to do a model and then make a mould of that and then press again, it would take us a number of weeks to get through the system, whereas hand throwing I can do a couple over 2 days, and that's it, done. So I've centered that. Well, I've not thrown with this clay very often. It is quite, each time I do throw with it, it's like a new clay. It's reasonably well behaved. Although because it's very dense, it takes quite a lot of energy to centre it. And if you notice, I'm using slurry as opposed to too much fresh water, so I just don't want to get it too waterlogged. So I'm nearly at my diameter. And start to open out. And obviously, because there's no base on this, so I'm straight down to the wheel head. And then pull up. So even the wall section on these will be a good inch, inch and a half. And when you're throwing chimneys, you always make the base a bit bigger, a bit longer, or higher than it needs to be. The reason being is that you cut it slightly further up so that it gives you a ring of clay for the pot to shrink on. So that's pretty much the shape I want it to be.